So what I'm working on right now is I'm pulling the traffic indicators out of this Hillman, Mark IV Hillman. Trying to, well, the other side was missing the kind of nice chrome and the kind of lens piece. So I'm pulling this side out, well, one, because it was loose sitting in there, and then also so we can have kind of a reference for the correct lens and the correct light that's supposed to kind of sit inside here. So the Trafficators, like this one out of the Hillman, you would imagine if you wanted to just kind of open it to kind of inspect the lens and kind of do all the sorts of things you want to do with it, you could just kind of grab it here and pull up and it wouldn't harm it. But if you go like that, it can kind of bend kind of the mechanism in there. So the way you're supposed to open them is you can, even when you're in the car, you can kind of reach your finger in there and press down on the top. So if you press down on the top, it kind of opens how it's supposed to without harming any of the mechanism, because there's like kind of little latches and springs in here that kind of are meant to function with it kind of working like that. So just a little bit of, I guess, useful trivia to know when you're working on all sorts of kind of obscure items.